Hello everyone, this is Mimi from Mimi's Crafty Shop, and I'm super excited. I have received my kit from Doreen Rook, who is Ooh La La Vintage Treasures, and she has asked me to be a guest design team member for her Crystal and Pearls Kit Club that is on Facebook. So I'm excited to reveal this beautiful kit that I just received in the mail Friday. And I wanted to share with y'all all the goodies I got. So first off, I'm going to start with this. She sent me this beautiful, it's a paper clip here that she had made up. It's got this beautiful girl on here. I just absolutely love it. I think it's such a pretty arrangement. She has taken and putting all these little different pearls and just laces and all kinds of little things on there. And guess what? She used a coaster, and she's backed it with this beautiful paper that it's a digital kit that she's been using. So I just think that's so clever how she's been making things out of these coasters. These are just the paper ones that you can get. So you can do so much with these, and I used some on my projects before, so I will link that up so you can maybe look at it if you haven't seen them. And this right here, I absolutely love this. She has taken, I'm going to take all this beautiful lace that she sent me. She has actually taken a piece of kind of like a craft 11 by 8.5 and folded it a certain way, and I'll show you in a minute how she did it, and has put some of these round glassine bags in here, sandwich bags I'm sure, and made like an accordion out of it. And when I seen this, I was thinking this is really a cool idea. She can come up with some really neat crafty things. So look how she decorated that, and love this gathered ribbon here, and just layered it up on the front of here, and then has put all this beautiful laces and stuff on here, and these appliques, and with the little crystal pearly things on there. And so this is how she made it. I actually had some paper that was like that, and so I'm going to do a project with it, and I wanted to make me another one. So I just kind of took and folded it up like she did, and I'm actually going to make another one because I'll tell you in a minute what I'm going to do with it. So this is the other thing she sent me. I fell in love with this. I love to make paper bag journals, and when I seen this, how she put all this together, I was just like, I was just like, wow. It always amazes me what people can do. But she has taken these long envelopes, the legal size ones that we all have been doing crafty altered things in our crafts with lately. And some of them she has the window ones, and some of them are just the solids, and this is a different one too. But she decorated the front up, and she actually took one of these envelopes, and she opened them up on the ends. And when I seen it, I was like, oh my goodness, I'm going to definitely use this idea. And she's taken and decorated them and put little cool cards in here, little journaling cards. And then this here, I love these pink little coin envelopes. I don't know where she got these from, but I love them. And this here is one of those bottle cap holders, and giving me a bunch of little circles here to use in my project, which I love these because I love making little embellishments with them. And this one here has got some really pretty bling on it, so I'm excited about that too. So that I'm going to put over there. And this, she took and put these beautiful appliques. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? And so I'm going to be able to use that. And I love the large envelope here with the window. Another one of the journaling cards that she made up. And Oh, this is just so beautiful. If any of y'all are friends with Jennifer, Tracy Sparkles, she did some beautiful hearts with a lot of this stuff for kind of around Valentine's. You need to check that out. She's the design team guru for Doreen, and she's always making the most prettiest things. I just absolutely adore her stuff. This is another thing that Doreen made up. Another one of these little, it's kind of like it's got the layers of the papers on here. And you know, it's just, there's so many ideas. So my mind is going crazy with what I'm planning on doing. And then here, this little heart here that she did up. See how she just put that together? So cute. And love this. This is gorgeous. Isn't that pretty, that yarn? And it's already together. Can use that for like a dangle. And this back here, I love this picture. That is just one of my favorites. So, she sent all this stuff in this, this is one of those bags that I was talking about. So, I'm going to be able to use that when I make my other one. Okay, and here is beautiful. Look at all these ribbons and laces she sent me. I mean, just all the stuff. It's gorgeous. I love this. Her stuff is so unique. She spends a lot of time and effort on putting these kits together, and I have bought from her in the past. And so excited that she asked me to be part of her design team. These right here are gorgeous. They're kind of a blush pink color. So I'm excited to be able to use those in my projects. And then just all this beautiful lace she sends with it. Just absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And this right here is like that. It reminds me of what the beds they used to make. That I think it was I don't know if it was Chanel or what the bedspreads they used to use. I can't think exactly what they were called, but this is just gorgeous. Wouldn't that be pretty on a journal cover? And this is just, love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Love this bag right here. It's kind of a crushed velvet. Has a zipper on it. And all these really pretty little things that she added to it. She made put all these laces together, made a little rosette out of that. Just gorgeous stuff. Look at all these little appliques she sends. Oh, I love that one. Isn't that one pretty? Oh, love it. So, my mind's really working on what I'm planning on doing, but I did want to show you this. She sent the stuff in this pink bag. This bag actually matched all her stuff really well. So I took and cut it in strips, and I actually sewed and made this kind of ruffle. And I know that she did this with something recently, but I think it was something else that she used. I don't think it was this. Anyway, but that's just an idea that you can take, you know, something like that, and if you don't have a sewing machine, you could even just glue it. And this could be so pretty on the edge of a project. So that's just something to think about when you know, try to use all your stuff. So anyway, like I said, I have I'm thinking about making a paper bag journal because she has sent me a lot of really cool things like that I think will work. And then I also have this ring here that I might, it's one of those embroidery rings. I might fix up with a little Miss Press on there that's just so cute. And I also have some stuff that left over from some of my previous collection that she sent me. So I'm going to try to use some of that too. She just sends all this beautiful stuff. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And I have to share this with you. This is the larger envelope that I got recently too from her. And so that I'm going to put in this. And these pictures here too. So my idea is, and I want y'all's opinion, because sometimes hearing from other people what you want me to make, is paper bag journal. I've got some of these beautiful flags here. They're huge. I don't know if you can see them or not. That I thought about decorating that up. So I can't, I mean, I think I want to do a couple of projects because that's kind of what I like to do. But this, Doreen, when you see this, you're going to go, I don't remember sending this to you. Well, you did, and it was white. Well, I took and used, which it came out a little darker than I wanted it to, but this petal pink, I used dye on it. And when it did, it made these roses pop on this. So I'm hoping to use this in this project. This was actually sent to me a couple of kits ago. So look, Doreen, this little napkin you sent me matches that perfectly. So I just love it. I mean, it's just so much fun, and I'm so excited that I'm going to get to do this, and I'm going to get started on my project, and I'm going to do kind of a craft along with me. So when I do this, and so I just want y'all to help me out. What do you think I should be doing? And this right here is my favorite. I just love this. Absolutely love this. But I can't decide if I'm going to decorate this bag or if I'm going to cut it up, because I love this crushed velvet, and I don't know, I might use this on some of my projects. It would definitely be beautiful decorated. It's so gorgeous. But I do things with zippers too, and I can't decide. I mean, because it would be so pretty to put a journal in this. I love stuff like this. And, even putting that on there. Oh my gosh. So I got some ideas. I've got some few little papers that I have that might use with it to kind of bring in a few little more scrapbook papers that I have. And I think she sent this to, yep, she sent this to me too. Isn't that gorgeous? Love that. So anyway, y'all, just come and hang out with me here in the next few days. I'm going to be working on this. So if you're not hooked up with Doreen, I will put her Facebook page down on there. And like I said, she does these 3 months kits, and she's got a waiting list. But she has an excellent crafter, and she's a very good designer. So anyway, y'all have a blessed day, and thank y'all for watching.